This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lisa Perry. Nearly brand new. This Taylor Morrison built Farnese floor plan is situated in Estero Pointe, a hidden gem. A gated, natural gas, community with only 64 single-family homes. Situated west of 41 close to Coconut Point Mall, FGCU, and SWFL International Airport. This beautifully appointed home provides southern exposure and preserved privacy. Over 2,000 square feet of living, boasting 2 bedrooms, den, 2.5 bathrooms and oversized garage. Luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout, state-of-the-art appliances, quartz countertops, water softener system, and safe in owner's closet. Plenty of room to add a pool and/or a fence for your furry family members. The community pool is walking distance, a lush oasis design plus added entertaining area. Don't miss the opportunity to enjoy this sunny SWFL lifestyle today. For more information, review the details below.